The company came into being with the mission to simplify the complexities of the existing education system and make learning easy. Our team is working towards creating simplified learning system through simplified teaching methods. With a vision of quality, affordable and simplified learning system for the child in every part of the world. The company is aiming towards the goal to make Mastermind a synonym of simplified and quality education. The strength of Mastermind is its team of dedicated, experienced educationists and marketing personnel. Headed by Mr. Naveen Chaudhary, the Managing Director and Founder, a CA by profession and educationist by heart. At our head office, we have a strong team doing research and development. The acquired knowledge is passed on by the team of qualified teachers, whose presentations are developed by our experienced designers and animators. Our IT team keeps and helps us being present globally. People envy our marketing and sales team, and our training department has set benchmarks for the industry. Ensuring satisfaction beyond customers' expectation is the continued endeavor of our distribution and logistics department. Journey Mastermind started with its first venture, Mastermind Computer, in 1996. Revolutionizing computer education for the common man. Write, an institute of handwriting technology, was launched in the year 2002. In the year 2004, with Mastermind Abacus, Mastermind registered its presence as leading franchisees in education segment. Thereafter, year after year, several preliminary supplementary education courses were introduced, adding to the vertical and horizontal growth of the company. While we started with just 30 franchisees in the year 1996, we maintained our growth, reaching 2,000 franchisee mark by 2017. We started in India and focused over a decade before we moved cross-border. With an objective to become global, we kept expanding. In coming 5 years, we are confident of being present in all major countries of the world. Take one step to join the fastest growing education venture and be a part of this journey towards success.